So first things first, we're going to download the app from the App Store or from the APK that I send. Because this is a demo, this is going to be a launch of the APK. So first thing it's going to ask you for is for permissions that the application needs. So to take pictures and record video, because this is a hybrid app for hosts, we allow hosts to do live streams, and they can have an audience of 1 to many, which means the host can have an audience of up to 250,000 people, or the host can have host to host, which means that there's multiple people in a room hosting an event. So if you guys are using a iOS or an Android device, you will be able to have up to 7 people displayed on the screen at the same time. But it also works on PC. So if you want to have more people, you can have up to 15 people in a space at the same time. So I'm going to select, while using this app, location is a setting that we use because to figure out how far the games are away from you. So you can see the distance, and then also when you need directions to where it's the event is going to be hosted, you would select from the Google Maps there, and it will direct you to that location of that event. So I'm just going to go ahead and allow my settings. I'm going to allow at the time because I always want to know what's going on around me and what's closest to me. The contacts will allow you to upload your contact book, basically. Just like any other app, you'll be able to choose people from your contact book to invite to join you. That's why you need access to your contact book, so I'm going to select allow. Calendar is to make sure that everyone's calendar is synced, and we can pick a good time to host these events. Access to the photos and media files on your device. So every person or every business will have a profile photo, and that's why we need access to your photos on the device there. Messages, we sometimes will send you marketing messages. We will send you login information, things of that nature. So for instance, if you need to log into the application, you want to log into your phone number, it would send you a 4-digit code back to you, which allows you to enter that 4-digit code to allow you into the app. So I'm going to go ahead and select allow. Then it's going to take you to this page here. It's just some information about what the app consists of and the types of things that you can do on the application. And when you're done, you press got it. It'll take you to the page here, and you'll have to log in. You can log in through Google, Apple, Snapchat, or SMS, as I was talking about in the previous screen. I'm going to log in through Google. I'm going to select the email that I want to log in with. And so your users will be able to use that social login. And then here's the end user license agreement, long and lengthy, just like any other service software that comes. You read the terms and conditions on there, and then you're logged into the main app. Once you come to the main screen, this is the buy services screen. You'll be able to join or host a space. But let's start with the main menu up here in the top left hand corner. The Space911 app is the main app that I'm in right now, and that's the name of the application. Super admin would be my name. I'm the super admin, just give me the demo. Verified G and verified H. Verified G means that I am a verified guest, and I am a verified host, which means that I can attend any event going on inside the app that requires me to be a verified user. I'll go into a little bit more detail in this shortly. Now, stars is the rating that you have within the app. So guests can rate hosts and hosts can rate guests. And if you're a good host, you should probably get 5 stars. If you're terrible, you'll probably get a 1. But over time, it'll gradually change and based on the type of service that you provide. Same thing as guests. If you have terrible guests, you can rate them low 1s. And if you have great guests, you can rate them high 5s. And anywhere in between. The money here is your wallet. We have a wallet inside the app. The wallet allows you to make purchases within the application here to anybody's game night, or if they're hosting a different type of space, they can draw from their wallet inside the app. So this is in-app currency. Also, this wallet allows you to withdraw to your bank account. So if you're a host, this will show you how much money is inside your wallet, and then if you need to withdraw it to your bank account, we have a feature where you can submit your withdrawal, and it'll get sent to your bank account. Now, because I'm super admin, this is basically God mode, but if you won't have access to God mode right away, but you will have access to the profile.
On your profile page, you will have to verify your phone number. So type in your mobile phone number, click verify, and click save, and it will send you SMS. Use that code, tap on it to verify who you are, and then once it verifies who you are, then it'll allow you to use the full functionality of the application. So once you verify, you just add your age, and then it'll say whatever email address you logged in will appear right here. And the email address, you can press sync calendar, and it will sync with your, let's say, your Google Calendar, your Apple Calendar, whatever calendar that you use for your email address that's inside this box here. You can sync that calendar, and it'll pick a perfect time. So when you want to arrange for an activity, you can sync calendars with the host and the other guests that would be attending that. Then you click save. Connected with Stripe. So this is anybody that wants to become a host. So if you want to become a host and you want to get paid, you have to click connect with Stripe here, and it'll allow you to get paid. Stripe.com is the name of the website. It's a payment processor. It'll take you to their form where you fill it out. And once you fill out your information, like your bank information, it'll verify it, and it'll allow you to process payments to your bank account. So if you're hosting an event and you want to charge somebody and you want to receive those funds need to be deposited into your bank account. So you'd fill that out by clicking connect with Stripe. Once you connect, you'll see this check mark and it'll say connected with Stripe. Connect with company profile, enter token ID. This is if you want to join someone else's space and they invite you. You have a code that they invite you with. It's called a token. You'll enter that token into this box here, and you'll click connect account, and it'll connect you to that person's space, that person's business, with any kind of token that they specifically give you. You enter it down here on your profile page. So this is Stripe.com, and this is the company that handles all the payment processing. And as you can see, very large company, big, huge customers: Google, Salesforce, Shopify, Zoom, Instacart, Slack, and thousands, Amazon, thousands of other companies as well. So don't be afraid to fill out their form. They take care of all the security, doesn't touch our servers or anything like that. But rest assured that they can be trusted with your banking information.